Very cheerful day, dear students. Now, today we will start with another chapter of your Book 1, Indian Constitution at Work, Political Science, Book 1. It is Indian Constitution at Work. So, I'm starting the first chapter of Indian Constitution at Work. Chapter name is Constitution Why and How. For your kind information, I need to tell you that there are some changes in your syllabus, and in that, chapter number 1, Constitution Why and How, another chapter, Constitution as Living Document, and the chapter last, which is in your textbook, it is mentioned at number 10, The Philosophy of the Constitution. Now, with the session 2021, these three chapters are combined as one. So it has part A with the name Constitution, part B as Constitution as a living document, and part C as Philosophy of the Constitution. So we will study one by one each part. And now today I am starting the very first topic, Constitution, why and how, why we need a constitution, what was the need and how it was formed. Moving with the definition, constitution, because this is the most important word, and as a political science student you will come across with the word many a time. So please note down, and you should know and learn the definition, and related notes will be sent to you on your online app, that is Classroom app. Now starting with the definition, what is constitution? A constitution is a written set of laws and fundamental principles to develop a relationship between the people and the government, which comprises a number of articles about the state. So what is constitution? You should know it is a written document which prescribes it to be a supreme law of the country and to decide the structure of the government along with rights and duties of citizens. So on rights and duties we have a elaborated chapter, rights in Indian Constitution, already, which has been divided in 4 parts, and related videos have been shared to you. So complete topic is covered in the videos, and the related extra questions are already sent to you. So dear students, you must remember what is constitution. It is a written document which prescribe it to be a supreme law, and it decide the structure of the government along with rights and duties of the citizens. So constitution basically it provides a framework, मीन्स ये एक ऐसा फ्रेमवर्क हमें प्रोवाइड करता है दैट विद इन विच अ गवर्नमेंट हैज़ टू वर्क, कि गवर्नमेंट को भी उसके अकॉर्डिंग वर्क करना पड़ता है. इट डजेंट मीन इफ़ समवन इज़ प्राइम मिनिस्टर और CM of the state or whatever at high post he or she may be, but constitution provide a framework which a government has to work, and within that framework when government work, it means every individual has to follow the rules and regulations of the constitution. Another thing means it minimize the chances of disputes among the various organs of the government. Various organs of the government, for that you must remember there are 3 organs of the government. Number 1, the legislature. Number 2, the executive. Number 3, the judiciary. These are the 3 organs of the government. So constitution, it control the misuse of power by the government, and it safeguards the fundamental rights of the citizens. So constitution, it safeguards the fundamental rights of the citizens. So it should be very clear to you, we have done a right against constitutional remedies, so that right it enforce any of your fundamental right which is violated. So it should be very much clear to you what is the main definition of constitution, which you must remember. Then there might be a thought in your mind that why we need a constitution. So number 1, because it provide a set of basic rules to allow minimal coordination amongst the members of a society. So it provide a set of rules. By following those rules, members of the society, they live together. Number 2, to specify how the government would be constituted, कि गवर्नमेंट कैसे बनेगी, and who has the power to make decisions in the society, और किसको ये पावर होगी कि वो इस पर्टिकुलर चीज़ के लिए सोसाइटी में डिसीजन ले, सोसाइटी के लिए डिसीजन ले. हेयर सोसाइटी इज रेफर्ड एज अ होल कंट्री और एज अ स्टेट. नंबर 3, to lay some limitations on government's power by granting rights to the citizens. So citizens को fundamental rights दे दिए so that there is a limitation on government's power. Government आपसे ये वाले fundamental right किसी भी condition में ना ले सके, only except if there is a national emergency declared in the country. Number 4, to enable the government to fulfill aspirations of a society and create conditions for a just society. Please note down here the word just, J-U-S-T. It symbolizes justice. Means government should fulfill aspiration of the society and there should be justice for all in the society. Number 5, to express the fundamental identity of people. You have a fundamental identity. Like if you go anywhere, you say I am Indian. Fine. So and you are related to that particular nation. So it provides you fundamental identity of that particular country, because you also get right to vote. And as you are a citizen, you enjoy right to vote. Alien cannot. So these are the things which we have just finished, that why we need a constitution. Next point comes, the Constitution of India was framed by the Constituent Assembly. अब ये भी तो एक क्वेश्चन था कि Constitution of India बनाएगा कौन. उसके लिए Constituent Assembly, डेट प्लीज़ नोट करें, 1946 अंडर द कैबिनेट मिशन प्लान. कैबिनेट मिशन प्लान 1946 के अंडर Constitution of India was framed. So Constituent Assembly spent 2 years, 11 months and 18 days, which is approx 3 years, to prepare the constitution to be adopted on November. हमने अडॉप्ट की नवंबर में, एंड नवंबर 26, 1949. बट ये एनफोर्स कब हुई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? इट केम इनटू फोर्स ऑन 26 जनवरी 1950. Please mark it that Constitution of India was adopted on 26th November 1949 and it came into force on 26th January 1950.